Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OPPO Reno 8 Pro and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have connect with internet but your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. To fix it, go back to the main menu and tap on your photo on the right corner. In it, Settings, Family and Parental Control, which is on right now, and we have PG3. To visible game or application as Mobile Legends games, we need more than PG3. To change it, tap on it, enter your connect pin to your parental control, and there we can easily change it from PG3 to maybe allow unincluded and underrated, confirm I got it, and save. You can also turn off your parental control by switch off, and that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.